I'm watching this show. It's funny. I'm watching an interesting show. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, I was watching something.
I'm just trying to get spawn away.
The central color goes before you're writing. There you go. Yes, I know.
Yeah,
Okay, anyone have a cool block? Have a cool block. The central color codes before you're writing. And a sign 3. And sign 3. Wait, can you do color codes on a sign? Oh, there's not color codes on the sign. I'm gonna look at the color codes. Maybe Schmelk stuck it inside there. Ooh, and E is yellow. I never knew that. And A is light green. And D. Ooh, there's a bunch of ands in there. It's cool. There's underline. Ooh, and N. I'm gonna do a really cool color thing here. And
oh, dude, you can't craft deep storages anymore.
okay, let's see what that says. No, Ohio.
Yes, there is no news or info.
That's why we have staff. If you abuse, you lose the perm. Oh, that's cool. Welcome back, Shady. Dude, go look at the central colors thing, because there's like a billion colors. I never knew that there's like yellow and blah blah. Like really dark yellow. I'm really lagging, like, what's this? Hahaha. Color codes, everything's lagging. I don't, this is actually quite cool.